Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you chapter 5, skill review check quiz. In this chapter 5, we will learn about how to simplify fractions, do some operation on the fraction form, and the set. Learn about the set, right? So let me start with question number 1 here. Okay, so question number 1, we want to simplify a fraction, and you see we have like 3,164 divided by 364. This is like divided by itself, right? Like a divided by a or a over a, which always equal to 1. It's just one way. Okay, so I mean, something divided by itself is always equal to 1. Just keep in mind that. Check the answer. Got it. Okay, so now we're gonna move to the next problem. Okay, so I have another one. Say simplify, right? And we want us to type answer in integer or simplify fraction form. So first you have to factors. You have to factors top and bottom. So the top you can't factor anymore, right? It's gonna be 5, right? Okay. So bottom, you 55. You can think about factor is to be something else, but you must try to have a common factor between the denominator and the numerator. So as I know that 55 can be 5 multiplied by 11, right? So you can have 5 divided by 5. I mean, it's a common factor, right? And then we're gonna have top now become only 1, right? And bottom will be 11. So answer would be 1 over 11. So say 1 over 11 as the answer. All right. I will also open my TI. TI 83. Okay, we're going to use that. Okay. So check my answer already, right? Okay, so let's move to the next one. Now this is subtraction between two fractions. In order to do subtraction or addition between two fractions, you must have same denominator, right? Right now you have a same denominator, so you can just do operation in the numerator only and keep the denominator at the same one as is 18. So do 11 minus 5, and on the top, and you have this gonna be equal to 6 out of 18. Then you have to simplify it. So 6 can be factor, but you think you see that the one below there, the 18 there, can be factor to be like 6 times 20, right? So if you would like to factor 6, that's fine, but I don't need to do that because right now I have the same factor between top and bottom. So I can just cancel it, and I got 1 out of 3, and 1 out of 3 will be the answer, right? Okay, so then we move on. All right, now we have addition between two fractions, right? And again, like I say, you have to have same denominator. All right, so right now I'm having 3 in the first one, and the denominator. The second one have 9. Then I have to try to I have to try to find the least common denominator. So I have 3 and 9 as the denominator for the first one and the second one. 3 can be rewritten as 3, and the 9 can be rewritten as 3 times 3, right? So what the least common denominator can be? So I'm gonna revise and become 3 and 3. So that's gonna be 9. So actually, least common denominator can be 9, right? So that means I want to make everything to be order. I need to convert all the denominator to be 9. So the first one out of 3 there, I have to multiply by 3 at the bottom. So then I have to multiply by 3 on top. And then I'm adding with 1 out of 9, because 1 out of 9 is having the denominator was 9 already, so I have to change. Okay, so the reason why I multiply by 3 over 3 here, because I can convert this 3 to be denominator with 9. So 1 times 3 gonna be 3. Out of 3 times 3 is 9, and then plus with 1 out of 9, and then it can combine the top. 3 plus 1 is 4. Bottom stay at 9. So I have answer at 4 out of 9. You cannot simplify more. So 4 out of 9 as the answer. Yep. Another way, I mean, if you feel so hard to use by hand, right? I mean, I feel to me it's easy, but to someone could be hard. I can show you. So you use calculator, 1 out of 3 here, and then you adding with 1 divided by 9, right? Enter. You got something, right? Some decimal number. So you need to convert into fraction form. Click math, and then number 1 here is fraction. Enter that, and then you have the answer, 4 out of 9. Okay. So next, we have number 4. Next, we have 36 divided by 2 square. Well, this one look like this: 36 divided by 2 square, right? So my PEMDAS, you know that's you go you finish the exponent first, right? So 36 divided by 4. 36 divided by 4 is 9. So that's gonna be it, right? And I mean, if you want to use a calculator, that's fine. 36, right, divided by 2 square. So we now, okay. Check the answer. You got it. Number 6. Oh, this is set, right? Keep in mind that this notation here is called set. Okay. And you know, inside the set you can have some elements. So in here we have set D, set E, set F. However, they ask us about just the union with E, right? This notation is union. Union means all the set, all the element in set D combined with all the element in set E. You combine everything, okay? So so that means we don't care about set F at all. You don't need to worry about set F, right? Just worry only the 2 set there, D and E there, right? So in we combine all those. We have 12, 15, 17, 14. Sorry. Okay, so this is for D, right? And then for E, we have 12, but 12 was here already, so I don't need to rewrite it. So 14, right? And then 15, but 15 in D already, so I don't need to rewrite it. And then 16, okay? So so that's all D union with E, okay? So you can also reorder it to make it nicer, like from lowest to the highest, you know, that's gonna be look nicer for the set, right? But if you don't mean the answer will not accept that. So you can see the use ascending order. So you have to write as 12. They did not give us the set outside order, so we just write out the element only. 15, 16, 17, and then check the answer. We have it. Okay, so let's move to the next one. A city received an average of 133.9 more. Okay, watch out with this word. More millimeters of rain than, more than the second city. Okay, so what happened? We have the second cities has an average is 241.9. So they say how much rain does the first cities receive on average each year? So what I mean, you can see that because of these this word more, right? More than, right? It's the second one. So you have the second one. So you're gonna say, oh, the first city receipt gonna be like 133.9. Adding with the average in the second one, only 241.9, right? What is that equal to? Let's use calculator to make my life easier. 133.9 and adding with 241.9, enter. I got 375.8. So 375.8. Then check the answer. I got it. Okay, so next one is another set problems, right? So now instead of union, okay, so this is intersection. Intersection, right? So the intersection is, you know, is all the element that be in both set at the same time, right? So you see, okay, so right now I'm talking about A and B. A intersect with B, so I don't care about you at all. Okay, now I'm gonna check A. A have number 1, okay. B doesn't have number 1, so then, well, it's gone. Okay. A have number 4. B doesn't have number 4. Then it should be. Then it should not be in the intersection elements. A have number 5. B have number 5. Then that should be the element in the intersection set, right? And some other element in B, you don't care about that because it's because it doesn't have in A. So that we have the intersection set has only 5. We check answer. Here we go. So we're gonna move to next bottom now. And it's just, you know, perform the indicate operation. Well, just use a calculator for this one to make my life easier. Okay, so 4.7 times with 5.1, right? Enter. 23.97. 23.97, right? Check the answer. Yeah. Next. And then we have, okay, so again, another perform for operation. For this one, you can do the parenthesis first, right? You do like 9.6 times with 9.6 first, and then divide by 1,000. So that's the way we do. And then we use calculators. 9.6 times 9.6. You can actually use square here. Divide by 1,000. You got 0.09216. Okay, so 0.02916. 0.09216. Check answer. Here we go. Next. Okay, this one is addition between two decimal number, right? So just, if I do a hand, I think it should not be a complicated one. 5/8, 5/3 is 8.4, but 5 is 9, so 9/8 gonna be the answer. You can also do by calculator if you like. Three to the power 5. Oh man, this one I haven't used a calculator, so I don't wanna take too many time for that. 245, right? Oh, I think, let's see, 243, sorry. Okay, check answer. Here we go. Okay, so, well, another one. Yeah, just gonna calculators. 5/3 times 4/2. 2,000. Oh, wow. Nice number. Yeah, there we go. And then we move to the next one. 5/8, and then everything square, right? This could be, if you do a hand, you can do like 5 square divided by 8 square. And 5 square is what? 25, right? 8 square is what? 64, right? Let's see if I don't think that I can see 5 more, but let's just use calculator and see. So 5, let's use parentheses here. Exactly what they do. 5 divided by 8, right? And then square, right? Enter that. Okay, so now my fraction form 25/64, right? So that's to be the answer. Okay. And next. Okay, so this is a set problem again. Keep in mind that's A with the bar in there is A complement. A A with bar is A complement set, right? So that means all the elements in set universe that use here, but not in A. Okay, but not in A. So I have A is this guy. I will looking for the elements that in U, but not in A. Okay, so I see that in U I have T, so T in A also. So I'm gonna take away it. U, do I have U in A? No. Okay, I keep that. V, I have V in A, so I get rid of V. W, no, so I keep that. X in A, take away. Y, take away Y. Z, well, keep it, right? So that the reason why we have U, comma, W, comma, Z. That's the answer. Check the answer. Okay. Clean it up. And we're done. You're gonna submit the quiz. Here we go. Okay, so we have finished quiz number quiz chapter 5 skill, skill check quiz. Hopefully you have some idea to do for the homework skill check quiz, and this is all the algebra talking about set and operation in fraction. So it helps you to handle some material in main course. That's it. All right. See you in the next videos and have a good day.